Breastfeeding is a beautiful bond between mother and baby, but it can feel overwhelming in the beginning. Knowing the basics helps make the journey easier and more rewarding for you and your baby. Proper latch is the key to successful breastfeeding, as it prevents sore nipples and helps your baby get enough milk. A good latch usually means your baby's mouth is wide open with the chin touching your breast, ensuring comfortable and effective feeding. Nipple covers help babies latch, especially if the mother has flat or inverted nipples. They prevent friction from clothing, promote healing without the need for creams. Many moms find them especially helpful for sensitive nipples. Feeding on demand is completely normal, as newborns often need to nurse every 2 to 3 hours. This frequent feeding not only keeps your baby full and satisfied, but also helps build and maintain a healthy milk supply. Hydration and nutrition are very important while breastfeeding, as your body needs extra energy to produce milk. Drinking plenty of water and eating balanced meals will help you stay healthy and support your baby's growth. You may feel some discomfort at first, as mild soreness is common in the early days of breastfeeding. However, if you experience sharp pain, cracks, or bleeding, it's a sign to seek help from a lactation consultant for proper guidance. Nursing pads help reduce pain, cracks, or bleeding by keeping the nipples dry and protected from constant moisture and friction. They prevent irritation from leaking milk, reduce rubbing against clothing, and create a softer, more comfortable barrier that allows sore nipples to heal faster. Milk supply adjusts naturally to your baby's needs, with your body producing the right amount of milk over time. During growth spurts, your baby may feed more often, which is normal and only temporary, as your supply increases to match their demand. Night feeds are important, because prolactin, the hormone that supports milk production, is highest at night. Nursing during these hours helps maintain a steady milk supply and supports your baby's growth. Try different breastfeeding positions like the cradle hold, football hold, or lying on your side to find what feels best. A breastfeeding pillow helps you stay comfortable and relaxed, giving support for both nursing and bonding. Its C-shaped design makes it easy to use with different feeding styles, including cradle and bottle feeding. Look for signs that your baby is feeding well. They should have wet and dirty diapers, seem happy after feeding, and slowly gain weight. You should also feel your breasts get softer after nursing. Breastfeeding takes time and practice, but you are not alone. With care, patience, and the right support, you and your baby will gradually get used to it, and it can become a truly rewarding and bonding experience for both of you.